Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Thursday, January 14th. We had a USDA report earlier in the week which produced a modest rally for wheat, corn, and beans, meal gaining on the soybean oil. Yesterday we kind of ran out of steam a little bit, and even in the overnight session we're off on the downside as well. We're down roughly a nickel in wheat, down 3 cents in corn, down 2 in beans, unchanged in the meal, and down around 10 points in the soybean oil. So theoretically, we continue to just ramble along, seemingly in here in a sideways range for wheat, corn, and beans, roughly defined between $4.50 and $5 wheat, $3.50 to $4 corn, and $8.50 to $9 soybeans. And the two inputs going forward in here, we'll continue to be monitoring U.S. domestic and export demand, and secondly, how South America is doing with their crop progress and weather. Speaking of demand, U.S., we'll be getting out our export sales here this morning, so that'll be of some note at the 7:30 hour to see if we are at least improving the poor demand picture that the USDA is presenting on the most recent report. South American weather is okay at this point in time, but there's a little bit of a flip as far as maybe the northern areas of Brazil, which were too dry, are now getting a little bit too wet, and the southern areas, which were too wet, are now getting a little bit dry. Nothing of immediate concern, but something to continue to monitor during January and February. Tomorrow we'll be getting a NOPA crush report, so that'll be of some importance to the soybean complex, getting back to U.S. demand. Today is the last trading day for the January futures. They go off the board at noon. We did see where there were some bean registrations canceled last night by Nidera. Going into this delivery period, through the delivery period, we still never saw any meal deliveries. We continue to see oil being issued and stopped by street names, and ADM has been a featured stopper of the soybeans. So we'll see what export sales say later on this morning. A little bit easier. Like I say, we had the USDA report, but we kind of ran out of steam and pretty much in a sideways trading range for the markets. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.